The CACKBIRD Portable 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is a compact and ergonomic keyboard designed for gamers and office users alike. With its 61-key layout, this keyboard offers a unique and efficient typing experience. The ultra-compact design frees up desk space, making it perfect for those who need a smaller footprint. One of the standout features is the long detachable USB Type-C cable, ensuring safe transportation during travels. This keyboard is equipped with linear red mechanical switches, providing a smooth and quiet mechanical stroke. The minimal resistance and fast action of these switches make it ideal for gaming, offering a tactile and responsive experience. The 60% keyboard is also suitable for office typing, ensuring a quiet and efficient workflow without disturbing colleagues. The 18 LED rainbow backlight is a highlight, offering 5 brightness levels and speeds, along with a customizable mode. This feature adds a touch of personalization and enhances the overall gaming experience. The double-injection ABS-engineered keycaps further improve the backlight's clarity, ensuring a crisp and uniform glow, especially during nighttime gaming sessions. Ergonomics are well considered with this keyboard. All keys can work simultaneously, eliminating program errors and ensuring a seamless gaming experience. The anti-ghosting feature allows for full enjoyment of games without any interference. Additionally, the PBT-engineered keycaps offer a longer lifespan and a crystal-clear backlight, adding to the overall durability and visual appeal. With its modern and classic style, this keyboard is a versatile choice for gamers and professionals. The black and white color option gives it a sleek and professional look, making it suitable for various environments. The CACKBIRD keyboard is compatible with laptops, PCs, gaming consoles, and Macs, ensuring a wide range of connectivity options. Overall, this compact mechanical keyboard is an excellent choice for those seeking a portable and efficient typing experience. Its features, including the responsive switches, backlit customization, and ergonomic design, make it a top pick for gamers and office users. With its compact size and durable construction, it's a reliable companion for both work and play.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.